Good thing. So we got the reward. Although we could not do this, so we invite, we persuade or we invite someone into good activities, so we will get the reward. I think it's very. I think it's everyone in this world should have that kind of thinking. Not only in this short life, but in the long life and afterlife. That's it.
Alright,
Alright,
thank you. Any question?
Any question maybe?
No? Is that clear? Is that clear?
I'm saying.
Alright, keep going.
You were saying just now earlier, right? So how do you describe the hypocrite person?
Hypocrite. Hypocrite. Munafik.
Skip.
It's okay. Keep going. It's okay. We learn each other here.
It's a
Yeah, we
service.
learn each other here.
So how do you describe the hypocrite person?
Yeah, insyaAllah.
Hypocrite is
What's
someone who has
Pretend, right?
pretend.
Pretend to be very Muslim and then
Yeah.
how people good enough
But
people.
in on the surface, on outwardly he is very good, but inwardly very bad.
But you can't judge the people like that because you can see maybe they want to try to be a good person.